Guys, are you craving a cheesecake? So, what's this? 450 grams of cheese and 3/4 cup granulated sugar, 4 eggs, medium size, room temperature, and 4 tablespoons of corn flour, and 3/4 cup whipping cream, and a vanilla. Just mix all ingredients into the blender. Yes, and blend it. And take note, guys, we are going to put this into the air fryer just for 20 minutes. You have a cheesecake. So added with 1/4 teaspoon of tartar cream and 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Mix it again. If you don't have any oven, you can use air fryer for baking. Yes. So here is my pan with the wax paper. Put it a little bit thick of wax paper to avoid burning. And here is our air fryer. We are going to put the cheese. So here we go. There's a lot of option here, guys. So we press the baking, the temperatures of 180 within 20 minutes. Well, guys, this 20 minutes is a little bit shaky. So if you don't want shaky cheesecake, so you can add more minutes, make it 25 minutes is approximately okay. So here is it, 20 minutes cheesecake in the air fryer. Look at this, done. Wow, amazing. Yes. Okay, guys, this is ready to serve. Make it cold a little bit before you slice. Then here we go. And I drizzled a little bit of sugar or an icing sugar. Yes, or you can add as well berries, any kind of berries you have. Or you can add also a whipping cream with berries on top as you like. Or you can add a chocolate ganache as what you have available. So here we go. Here is our cheesecake, 20 minutes in air fryer. So that's it. Yum.